How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Starlink Gen 2 router. So basically for Gen 1 and Gen 3, it's going to be the same thing. You will be able to find this hole right here that allows us to simply press on it and then it will be reset normally. You could go ahead and use something like a paper clip, but for Gen 2, it's going to be a little bit different. You actually have to turn on and off the device 6 times in order to reset it, or you could also navigate through your application on your mobile devices in order to do this properly. So you want to go ahead and make sure to unplug the power cable first, unplug it after plugging it immediately, and then wait for around 1 second, and then you want to do the same process again where you plug the cord onto this slot right here, unplug it immediately, and that's going to be the second time. Once again, wait for around 1 second, and then you want to repeat this 6 times, and then this will reset the device right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.